Hey guys, I'm making this quick video. If you have the i4 error code for your frigidaire dishwasher, I was looking on how to fix it, and this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to also help you. So I pull out the dishwasher and could see no leaks. So first, just check if you can have any leaks on the bottom, right? I turned off the breaker to dishwasher overnight. This morning, error code was cleared. Error code does not clear if you just turn the power off, then back on again. Gotta wait a couple of hours. Running again, I'll update the problem. I will update if the problems come back. So this is something that you want to actually try, and maybe it's going to fix it. So turn the power off for like whole night, and then maybe it's going to fix it, because this person wrote here, and I was like looking on how to possibly fix the issues. Like the person just wrote here, checking the user detergent, check if the unit located on lower ground, check the micro switch at the bottom, check the drain pump, check the amount of the filled water, find the leaking point, all of these, and possibly this is going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.